Welcome to Device Lab. Today, we'll be examining the best mechanical keyboards for office and everyday use. The Logitech K845 mechanical illuminated keyboard offers a sophisticated blend of precision mechanics with a durable, modern aluminium design, appealing to both everyday and power users who appreciate a quality typing experience. It features adjustable tilt legs, allowing a range from 4 degrees to 8-degree tilt, enhancing comfort during prolonged typing sessions. The choice of tactical mechanical switches ensures a quieter typing experience while providing satisfying feedback without the loud click noise, ideal for office environments. However, the keyboard isn't without its drawbacks. It lacks a detachable cable, which could be a limitation for users looking for easy mobility and storage. Additionally, it's not spill resistant, which might be a concern for durability in accident-prone setups. Despite these points, the robust construction and the long life of the keys, tested for up to 50 million clicks, underscore its reliability. In conclusion, the Logitech K845 is an excellent option for those in search of a reliable and comfortable mechanical keyboard. Its full-size layout, combined with the sustainable approach of carbon-neutral certification, adds to its appeal for environmentally conscious users. For those interested, you can find more about this product and a purchase link on Amazon in the video description below. The Cherry KC200MX offers an exceptional typing experience categorized by its new MX 2-way brown switches, designed for smooth operation and enhanced acoustic feedback. This model incorporates an anodized metal plate for durability along with a minimalist design that appeals to both office users and enthusiasts. Not only is it engineered for high precision with the Cherry MX technology, but it also ensures that each keystroke is recognized accurately thanks to its N-key rollover capability. While the keyboard is robust and reliable, its focus on minimalistic design might not cater to users looking for more multimedia keys and extensive programmable options. Additionally, while the keyboard has built-in LED indicators for essential keys, it lacks customizable RGB lighting, which might be a downside for users who prefer a more personalized or visually engaging setup. Overall, the Cherry KC200MX is a solid choice for those who need a reliable mechanical keyboard with excellent tactile feedback and high durability. It is particularly suitable for workplaces or settings where a quiet yet responsive keyboard is beneficial. The addition of direct control keys and its compatibility with Cherry Key software for customization further make it a practical daily driver for both typing and gaming. The Keychron K10 is a versatile mechanical keyboard that strikes a balance between work and play. Engineered for both macOS and Windows users, it features dual connectivity options through Bluetooth 5.1 and USB Type-C, making it ideal for multi-device setups. It supports up to 3 devices simultaneously, which is perfect for those who want to switch between devices effortlessly. A possible drawback is the keyboard's focus on a minimalistic white LED backlight, which might not satisfy users looking for RGB customization options. Additionally, the non-hot swappable nature of the switches might be a limitation for those who prefer to tailor their mechanical switches without soldering. In summary, the Keychron K10 is a robust choice for users looking for a full-size mechanical keyboard that offers great versatility and connectivity. It's particularly suited for those who work across multiple devices and need a reliable keyboard with a solid build. Check out the Amazon link in the description to see the current price of this model. The Keychron K5 SE Ultra Slim strikes a perfect balance between style and functionality. With its gator-on low-profile brown switches, it offers a tactile yet quiet typing experience suitable for both office and home environments. The keyboard's slim, aluminium design not only provides a robust feel but also complements any modern desk setup. Connectivity is versatile with both Bluetooth and USB-C options, making it easy to switch between devices and platforms. However, the ultra-slim design might not be everyone's cup of tea, especially for those accustomed to more traditional, chunky mechanical keyboards. Some users might also find the full-size layout too large if desk space is a concern. In conclusion, the K5 SE Ultra Slim is a beautifully designed keyboard that caters well to those who appreciate a minimalist aesthetic without sacrificing the tactile feedback of mechanical switches. It's a great fit for anyone looking to upgrade their typing experience with a device that handles both work and play effortlessly. For more information and to purchase, consider checking out the product on Amazon, link provided in the video description. The Cherry KW X ULP keyboard combines the tactile feedback of mechanical switches with the sleek, modern design of ultra-slim keyboards. Its Cherry MX ultra-low profile switches, engineered in Germany, offer precise actuation and a unique typing experience, bridging the gap between traditional mechanical keyboards and more compact, modern designs. This flexibility is enhanced by multiple connectivity options, including 2.4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth 5.2, and USB, making it suitable for various devices from PCs to tablets. One potential drawback is the reliance on LED backlighting, which, while adjustable, can contribute to quicker battery depletion depending on usage. The keyboard's design prioritizes a minimalist aesthetic, which may not cater to all preferences, especially for users accustomed to more robust or feature-heavy keyboards. In summary, the Cherry KW X ULP is a high-end mechanical keyboard that offers a unique blend of style, performance, and versatility. It's well suited for anyone looking to combine the mechanical typing experience with modern design and connectivity. Check out the link to this product on Amazon in the video description for more details and purchasing options. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to keep up with future content. And feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, happy exploring.